morning, dear students and parents. Hope you all are fit and healthy at your home. Student, in the previous class we read about some of the features of our earth. हमने अर्थ के कुछ features के बारे में पढ़ा था. I hope you all have completed your homework too. And in the previous class we read about the hills and the mountains. And today we are going about to read some more features of the earth. So what is our today's topic? Our today's topic is deserts, plains and plateau. Deserts, plains and plateau. Block 18 as you know, and lesson plan 2. Keywords for today's class: desert. What is the meaning of desert? Hot and dry area is called the desert. Plains, the flat land. Plateau, the raised top with flat land is called the plateau. Resources for today's class: content book, notebook and workbook. What is our today's aim? Our today's aim is to explain the features of a plain, desert and plateau. Today we are going to learn about the features of plain area, desert area and plateau. Means plain, desert और plateau area कैसे होते हैं, हम उनके features के बारे में जानेंगे. Before going to start our today's activity, I want to ask one question to you. What kind of physical feature can be found in your place? Means in which kind of physical feature do you live? किस तरह के physical feature में आप रहते हो? The desert, plain or plateau? As we live in Haryana we can found the flatland area, so we can say that we live in plain area. In today's class we will learn about these three physical features like the plains, desert and plateau. So let's start our today's activity. Now what will you do? You will observe the pictures of plain, desert and plateaus, and these pictures are given in your S2 in your workbook on page number 11. You will observe these pictures carefully, and after observing the pictures you will write the unique and the special features about plain, desert and plateau in your notebook. First of all, you will make a table like this in your notebook. You will write plain, desert and plateau, and then you will write, after observing the picture, you will write the unique features of plain, desert and plateau. Means what have you observed about these pictures. Now students, observe the picture which is given on page number 11 in your workbook S2. I hope you all have observed the pictures carefully and found out the unique and special things. Now move to the discussion part, and my first question is, which of these pictures is a plain, desert and a plateau? And what is the special physical feature, special and unique physical feature of these? Students, now look at these pictures. Picture 1, the first picture shows a desert and the second picture shows a plain. Means the second picture plain area is shown, and in third picture this is showing the plateau, and the fourth picture this is a desert, and a desert is a dry land and has very few trees and plants. It gets no rain or very little rainfall. तीन पिक्चर है, मैंने चार बता दी ना. Student, now look at this picture. This is the picture of the desert area. A desert is dry land and has very few trees and plants. It gets no rain or very little rain. Plain is a low and flat land. Here in this picture you can see the flatland area. This is called the plain. Plateau. And in this picture you can see the plateaus. You can say the plateau a tableland too. Tablelands भी उनको बोलते हैं. Why? Because these are the raised. This is a raised land with a high and flat top. जो high ऊपर की तरफ उठी हुई होती है, बट उनका टॉप जो है वो फ्लैट होता है. Plateau is a high land but flat on top. इनका टॉप जो है वो फ्लैट होता है. And student, you can see in the fourth picture what is given here. This is the cold desert. And what is a cold desert? It is covered with snow. And the first picture is of the hot desert. This is covered with the sand. Sand dunes से covered होता है. But जो cold desert होता है, it is covered with the snow. Student, next question is, how is a plain different from a valley? How is the plain area? It is different from the valley. जी valley से different कैसे होता है? Like valleys, plain is also lowland, but plain is flatter and featureless. ये flatter होता है और featureless होता है. And valleys are found between the two hills or mountains. Valleys जो होती है आपको two hills और two mountains के बीच में मिलती है, right? Like this how these these are two hills. This is one hill and this is the second hill, and this area is called the valley. But plain area is like this, इस तरह से होता है plain area. Simply means ये featureless होता है. It is found either between the hills or between the mountains, या mountains के बीच में होता है. ये इस तरह से होता है. This is also the lowland. And flat area, ये flat area है हमारा. This is also the lowland. But these are valleys means ये हमारा जो है फ्लैट एरिया है, फीचरलेस होता है और फ्लैट होता है. बट वैलीज आर नॉट दिस मच फ्लैट. वैली जो है वो फ्लैट नहीं होती. दीज आर ओनली द लो लैंड. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज व्हाई आर प्लेन्स एन इम्पोर्टेंट लैंड फॉर्म. व्हाई द प्लेन्स आर एन इम्पोर्टेंट लैंड फॉर्म. व्हाई प्लेन्स एन इम्पोर्टेंट लैंड फॉर्म. प्लेन्स आर एन इम्पोर्टेंट लैंड फॉर्म. व्हाई? Yes, but it is an important landform. Why? Because the soil which is found in plain areas, it is very fertile and suitable for growing the crops. क्रॉप्स को ग्रो करने के लिए बहुत सूटेबल होती है. वो जो सॉइल होती है वो फर्टाइल होती है. वाई? बिकॉज इट इज ब्रॉट बाय द रिवर्स. रिवर्स जो है वो अपने साथ फ्लो करके लेके आती है एंड इट इज डिपॉजिटेड इन द फ्लैट एरिया. और फ्लैट एरिया में इसको डिपॉजिट कर देती है. जो सैंडिमेंट्स अपने साथ रिवर फ्लो करके लाती है. माउंटेन से जो रिवर्स आती हैं इट फ्लो थ्रू द प्लेन एरियाज. ये प्लेन एरियाज की तरफ जाती हैं एंड इट bring with it the silt and sediments, and this silt and sediment, it is very fertile for it make the soil fertile to grow the crops. क्रॉप्स को ग्रो करने के लिए ये सॉइल को बहुत फर्टाइल बना देती हैं. एंड इट इज इजी टू बिल्ड रोड्स एंड बिल्डिंग्स on this plain area as it is flat. So it is an important landform. How is a plateau different from a hill? How is a plateau different from a hill? As we read about the feature of the plateau, it is this type of flat and raised top land. The raised flat top means raised land होती है, highland है, but it is flat at the top and hills are rounded. Hills जो है ऊपर से कैसी होती है, इनके टॉप जो है वो rounded होती है. It is not flat. That is why the plateaus are called tableland. फ्लैटरीज को इसीलिए टेबल लैंड भी बोला जाता है. वाई? बिकॉज जो इनका टॉप होता है वो इस तरह से फ्लैट होता है. नाउ इन दिस पिक्चर यू कैन फाइंड आउट द डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन द प्लेट्यूज एंड द हिल्स. प्लेट्यूज आर आल्सो हाई लाइक माउंटेन्स बट दे डू नॉट हैव पीक्स लाइक अ हिल. हिल की तरह उनकी पीक्स नहीं होती हैं. प्लेट्यूज आर फ्लैट एट द टॉप एंड देयरफॉर आल्सो नोन एज फ्लैट टेबल लैंड. इट इज आल्सो नोन एज टेबल लैंड. इसको टेबल लैंड भी बोला जाता है. Next question is, how is a cold desert different from hot desert? As you can understand this thing from the name only. आप नेम से ही इन चीजों को समझ सकते हैं, right बेटा? How the cold desert is different from the hot desert. Hot desert is always covered with sand dunes. Sand से covered होता है. The climate is very hot. And the cold desert, it is always covered with snow. And the climate here is very cold. Extremely cold होता है यहाँ पर. Now it is time for the higher order thinking question. The question is, what kind of climate is found in hot and cold desert? What kind of climate is found in hot and cold desert? As the name suggests, hot desert have the hot climate and the cold desert have the cold climate. The summers in hot desert, it is very hot. Summer season में climate कैसा होता है? Very hot. And the winters in hot desert are very cold. But in cold desert throughout the year it is very cold. वहाँ पे hot और winter summer और winter season नहीं होता. तो summer season में hot desert में बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है. But in cold desert throughout the year the climate is very cold. Student, now let's summarize our today's learning. Now it is time for the reading section. Open page number 9 of your content book. Features of deserts, plains and plateaus. A desert is a dry land which receives little or no rainfall throughout the year. There are almost no or very few plants in a desert. Deserts are of two types. Desert कैसा होता है? It is a dry land which receives little or no rainfall. Means या तो वहाँ पर rainfall होता ही नहीं या फिर बहुत ही कम होता है. And there are almost no or very few plants. बहुत ही कम plants वहाँ पर होते हैं. And deserts are of two types. Two types के deserts होते हैं. Which are these? The hot desert and the cold desert. Cold desert and hot desert. Cold deserts are covered with snow throughout or for most of the year. Hot deserts are covered with sand and have a hot climate. Cold deserts किससे cover रहते हैं? Cold deserts are always covered with snow, but hot deserts are covered with the sand. Sand dunes से covered रहते हैं. Climate is very hot. Now on the next page, on page number 10, here you can see the pictures of plain and plateau. Plains are low flatlands. The soil in the plants is usually fertile. Plains की जो soil होती है, it is very fertile. Fertile means the land which is suitable for growing the crops, which is good for the growth of the plants. Plateaus are raised flatlands. They have a steep slope and are flat from the top. The structure of a plateau looks like a table, and therefore it is also known as tableland. In the next picture, as you can see, this is the picture of the plateau, and it looks like a table क्योंकि इसका जो top होता है वो flat होता है. That is why it is called the tableland. Now let's apply your knowledge. You will do S2 on page number 11 in your workbook. Open page number 11 of your workbook. As in the activity part also we have discussed about it. Complete the table. Here the pictures of landforms are given. Name of the landform. In this column you will write the name of the landform, and in the next you will write features of the landform. Which kind of what are the features of these landforms? Question number 2. Antarctica is a cold desert. The Sahara is a hot desert. That what difference will you find in the clothes of people living in Antarctica and in the Sahara? Means Antarctica is a cold desert and Sahara hot desert है, and you can easily find out the differences between these deserts. And the clothes, which kind of clothes the people who are living there wearing, किस टाइप के clothes वहाँ पर जो लोग रहते हैं वो पहनते हैं. Then you will write the differences here. Students, what is your homework for today's class? You will do practice question number 3 and 4 on page number 12 in your content book. Question number 3 is, how is a cold desert different from a hot desert? Cold desert hot desert से different कैसे होता है? As we discussed the same in the discussion part 2. How is a plateau? Question number 4 is, how is a plateau different from a plain? Plateau जो है वो plain area से कैसे different होता है? As I told you, the plateaus are the raised flat topland and the plains are lowland area. So this how you will write the answer of these questions. At last, now it is time for the summarization. As what is our today's topic? Deserts, plains and plateau. Today we have read about all these features of the earth. Deserts are dry land area, and plains, this is the flat land area, and the plateaus, the raised flat topland, is called the plateaus. Now students, be ready for the next class, and resources for next class: content book, notebook and workbook. Thank you. Have a nice day.